Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fundednext to MT5 on mobile. First, log into your Fundednext dashboard on your mobile device or desktop. Then, go to My Accounts and open Trading Accounts. Next, note down your login ID, trading password, and server name. Make sure to keep these credentials safe as they require to connect to MetaTrader 5. After that, go to the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. Then, search for MetaTrader 5 and download the app. Once installed, open the MetaTrader 5 app. Next, tap Settings, then Manage Accounts, and tap List Add Account. After that, select Login to Existing Account. Now, tap Find Broker and enter the server name provided by Fundednext. Then, select the server from the search results. If the server does not appear, manually enter the server name exactly as given. After that, enter your login ID and trading password. Then, tap Sign In or Connect. If successful, your account balance will appear. Live quotes and charts will load, and the connection bars at the bottom will show green. Now open your favorite charts. Then, you can place trades using market, limit, or stop orders. After that, follow Fundednext's rules carefully, including the profit target, maximum daily loss, maximum drawdown, and allowed instruments. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.